tour guide today. Please take a look around you. And we stand here in front of this grand building. Let me ask you a quick question. When you hear the name Chikan Tower, what comes to your mind first? Cody, please answer. No. The right answer is actually, it sounds a little bit like Chikan Tower, the animal one. Well, I don't want to be disappointed to you, but we are not standing in front of a fast food restaurant. And there is no fried chicken on top. Well, jokes aside, Chikan Tower, originally named Fort Provincia, is one of the most historical landmarks in all of Taiwan. Do you have any idea who built it?
Europeans?
No? Yes, it is the Dutch. If we look back in history, this fort was built right on this spot in 1653 by the Dutch. Back then, it was an important economic center. So this building right now, it isn't like, the building is actually not built in here. The building is built in other places in Tainan, but it was just built right in this spot. Over the past 400 years, many emperors and leaders have passed through here, like this part of Tainan. From the Dutch Zheng Koshinga through the Qing dynasty and Japanese era. That's why, if you look at the architecture today, you can see a unique mix of Western military origins and traditional Chinese pavilion style. Now, please look at the picture. How many stones are there? What animal do they look like?
How many stones?
Do anyone want to answer? Please, Zoe. Yes. Here is the 9-stone turtle over here in the courtyard. In Chinese mythology, these are actually the sons of the dragon who love to carry heavy weights. And hey, even though this isn't a Chikan Tower, if you are inside the tower, if you look right outside the exit, the streets are packed fully with famous Tainan food. And some are not famous, but very delicious. Like, you can smell the air of all the sweet potatoes. So that is one kind of food. And you can also try some delicious local dishes like danzai noodles, milkfish soup, and winter melon tea right after our tour. I've tried danzai noodles. It's so delicious. I highly recommend it to you guys to eat after this tour. To wrap up, Chikan Tower is not just a beautiful photo spot, it is a living museum that tells the history of Taiwan. Thank you so much for your attention. And let's go to explore the Grand Maju Temple with tour guide Zoe together now. Enjoy the tour.
Great job! It'll be a last question for
The
you.
lower part is built by the Dutch and the taller part is actually built by the Chinese. Just like some Chinese